सब किछ आपे आप है, दूजा अवर न कोए। ज्यू बुलाए त्यू बोलिए, जा आप बुलाए सोए। Everything the Lord Himself is, there is no other second. When that Lord Himself causes us to speak, we speak just as He wants us to speak. Unit 1, Some Basic Concepts of Chemistry by Amrik Singh, PGT Chemistry. Now, what is chemistry? Chemistry is the branch of science that deals with the what composition, structure, and properties of matter. Composition means constituent of matter. Structure means how these constituents are arranged, and properties, what are the properties of matter. And second one is the changes which matter undergo under different condition. And third one is the laws which tells or governs these changes. Therefore, under the term chemistry, chemistry deal with the composition, structure, and properties of matter, the changes which the matter undergo under different conditions, and third one, the laws which governs these changes. Branches of chemistry. Organic chemistry. This branch deals with the study of carbon compound, especially hydrocarbon and their derivatives. In organic chemistry, this branch deals with the study of compounds of all other elements except carbon. It largely concerns itself with the study of mineral found in the earth crust. Physical chemistry, it basically concerned with laws and theories of different branches of chemistry. Biochemistry, this branch deals with the chemical changes undergoing on the bodies of living organisms, for example, plants and animals. Analytic chemistry, this branch deals with the quantitative and qualitative analysis of the various substances. And nuclear chemistry, nuclear reactions such as nuclear fission, transmutation process, etc. studied under this branch. Now in this 11th 12th we have three mainly branches we use. One is organic chemistry, other is inorganic chemistry, and third one is the physical chemistry. We have also branch of biochemistry, that is the different branch. Okay, these are the some branches of chemistry. Importance of chemistry. फायदा क्या है पढ़ने का? Chemistry have provided fertilizers, insecticides, pesticide. Due to this, yield of crops is increased. Chemistry have also provided food preservatives to preserve food. Second one is chemistry have provided large number of life-saving drugs. For example, cisplatin and Taxol for cancer, AZT whose full form is azithromycin for AIDS. Chemistry have provided large number of articles of domestic use. For example, soaps, detergent, scent, cream, cooking gas, sugar, plastic wares. Due to these articles, life have become easy. Transportation totally depend on diesel and petrol, which are chemical substances. Chemistry have provided weapons for war, dynamite, atomic bomb, hydrogen bomb, etc. Chemistry have helped in producing superconducting ceramics, conducting polymers, optical fibers. तो केमिस्ट्री के बच्चों बहुत से फ़ायदे हैं। पहला है जी, अगर हम देखें खाने पीने में इसने क्या किया है, इसने फर्टिलाइज़र दिए हैं, इंसेक्टिसाइड, पीसेक्टिसाइड, जिसके कारण हमारी फसलों की पैदावार बढ़ गई है। पैदावार बढ़ गई है तो प्रिजर्व करने के लिए इसने, उसको संभाल के रखने के लिए पैदावार को, तो इसमें प्रिजर्वेटिव भी दिए हैं। तो केमिस्ट्री ने दवाइयाँ सारी केमिस्ट्री बना रही है, कैंसर की दवाई है, एड्स की दवाई है। तो केमिस्ट्री घरेलू यूज़ की चीज़ें दी है, जैसे कि अगर आपके पास सॉप फॉर एग्जांपल और डिटर्जेंट ना हो तो कपड़े कैसे धोएंगे, तो ये केमिकल कंपाउंड है, केमिस्ट्री देने वाली है। सेंट, क्रीम्स जो लगाते हैं, सारा कुछ, कुकिंग गैस वगैरह, प्लास्टिक की जो क्रॉकरी है घरों में, वो सब केमिस्ट्री की देन है। देखिए, डीजल एंड पेट्रोल क्या है, ये केमिकल कंपाउंड। फिजिक्स वाले क्या देंगे, इंजन बनाएंगे, बट उसमें डीजल पेट्रोल कौन देगा, केमिस्ट्री वाला। केमिस्ट्री अगर लड़ना है तो उसने हथियार भी दिए हैं, एटॉमिक बॉम्ब, न्यूक्लियर जो बॉम्ब्स हैं, डायनेमाइट है। केमिस्ट्री है प्रोवाइडेड सुपर कंडक्टिंग मटेरियल, ये भी दिए हैं उसने, काफ़ी कुछ दिया है। तो मेनली कुछ जो मेन इम्पोर्टेंस जो है केमिस्ट्री की, वो हमने डिस्कस कर ली है। डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या क्या हैं केमिस्ट्री के? डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ केमिस्ट्री, क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन्स, CFCs जिनको बोलते हैं, यूज्ड इन एसीज, काज ओजोन लेयर डिप्लेशन। ठीक है जी, ओजोन लेयर पतली होती जा रही है ड्यू टू क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन को इसका कारण माना जा रहा है। ग्रीन हाउस गैसेज सच एज CH4, CO2 एंड etc produced in chemical processes causes global warming, and certain chemicals, for example DDT, are not biodegradable. Okay, they remain for longer time in the atmosphere once they come in the atmosphere. These are some disadvantages. Okay, now, but the above disadvantages can be minimized by using less hazard chemicals. At last, it can be concluded that chemistry may be good or evil. It depends on its use. Therefore, it should be utilized by properly. जैसे दिया है, चाहे तो रोशनी कर लो, चाहे घर को उसको आग लगा लो. सेम थिंग इज केमिस्ट्री. तो अगर तो पॉजिटिव यूज़ करोगे तो पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट आएंगे, अगर नेगेटिव कामों के लिए यूज़ करोगे तो नेगेटिव ही आएगा फिर. ठीक है जी. तो जो अगले टॉपिक हम कुछ करने जा रहे हैं, ये सिलेबस से तो कट ऑफ हो गए हैं, बट हमें पता होना चाहिए. मैटर, anything which has mass and occupies space is called matter. Everything around us, for example book, pen, pencil, water, air, all living beings are composed of matter. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मैटर थ्री टाइप्स का है: सॉलिड, लिक्विड, गैस. फिजिकल है. केमिकली मैटर इज़ ऑफ टू टाइप्स. सबसे पहला है जी हमारे पास मिक्सचर. मिक्सचर दो तरह के होते हैं: होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर एंड हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर. दूसरा क्लासिफिकेशन है प्योर सब्सटेंसेस. दे आर आल्सो टू टाइप्स: एलिमेंट्स एंड कंपाउंड्स. First of all, we will discuss what is an element. An element is the simplest form of matter that cannot be split into simpler substances or built from simpler substances by simpler any ordinary chemical or physical methods. Elements are further classified as metals, non-metals, and metalloids. ओके, एलिमेंट्स आर ऑफ थ्री टाइप्स. एलिमेंट को ना तो हम बना सकते हैं, ना हम इसको क्या कर सकते हैं, डिकम्पोज कर सकते हैं इनटू सिंपलर सब्सटेंसेस बाय एनी फिजिकल और chemical method. Okay, now element, after element there is term compound. Compound, what is compound? A compound is a pure substance made up of two or more elements combined in a definite proportion by mass, and which can be decomposed into its constituents elements by suitable chemical methods. तो कंपाउंड एलिमेंट तो आपको पता ही है, 110 19 तक है पीरियोडिक टेबल में. देयर आर 119 एलिमेंट इन द पीरियोडिक टेबल: हाइड्रोजन, हीलियम, लिथियम, बेरिलियम. दीज आर ऑल द एलिमेंट्स. when for example two elements hydrogen and oxygen combine in definite mass, we get H2O, we get water. The water can be again further decomposed into hydrogen or oxygen by electrolysis. Okay, these, it's all about the elements and compounds. Now what are homogeneous mixtures? तो homogeneous mixture है जी, they have the same composition throughout the sample. Okay, the components of such mixture cannot be seen under a powerful microscope. Okay, constituent can't be seen. They are also called solutions. Point number 4 is examples of homogeneous mixtures are air, sea water, etc. होमोजीनियस, एक जैसी कंपोजिशन हो जिसकी थ्रू आउट. Now next one is heterogeneous mixtures. Then heterogeneous, they consist of two or more parts, phases, which have different compositions. These mixtures have visible boundaries of separation between them, between the different constituents, and can be seen with the naked eye. Examples of heterogeneous mixtures are sand and salt, ठीक है, chalk powder in water, etc. These are some examples of heterogeneous mixture. Remember one thing, we are hearing in the market 24 karat gold, 22 karat gold. Now 24 karat actually is the pure gold. 20, if we are saying that 20 karat gold means 20 karat gold is a mixture of 20 part by weight of gold and 4 part by weight of copper. Pure gold is 24 karat. Iodized salt is a mixture of NaCl and small amount of NaI. बहुत सुना है मार्केट में, एड्स में, आयोडाइज्ड है, इसमें आयोडीन है, तो NaI is present with the NaCl. We have some homework also. Some questions are there. Okay, 13 questions are there. These are the questions which have the questions from the article which have we have just understood here in this lecture. These are the questions based on the articles. You can see what is AZT, to which use it is being put. ठीक है, we have already the knowledge about this. Okay, it's in the same way all the questions are based on the studied articles. Okay, but for your assistance, I have also provided you the answer. You can also see the answers. Now, सबनी शाला मारियां करता करे सो होए. Everyone makes the attempts, but that alone happens which Creator Lord does. Thank you for attending my lecture. Be safe, be at home, be safe.